My name is Brian Tanti and I'm the CEO of the AutoHorizon Foundation based here at Docklands in the Automotive Centre of Excellence. AutoHorizon is all about showcasing to school children, hosting school visits and training. AutoHorizon is also engaged in technology transfer work where we're showcasing and trialling new technologies that industry may want to use in the future. So we put them into an application and then test it. Once our cars are built, they become an ambassador for what the component supply industry is doing here in Australia, around the world. The work that gets done in here is fairly unique, and through that we're designing and building a one-off car that will be auctioned or raffled to support 3 charities. But along the way we've achieved some really interesting milestones in creating this car, which is Australia's first composite passenger structure made from a low curing temperature carbon fibre. The project started about 9 years ago and it's been advancing slowly. Well, the car's under 700 kilos and has a 270 kilowatt engine. The primary structure of the car is a carbon fibre structure. It's made in 2 sections and they're glued together like a giant Airfix model. We've got an in-wheel suspension system that came from Canada. We've got some really interesting technology, Australian companies that have contributed everything from data logging equipment like the Motec system here, right through to Moran Precision Engineering, who milled all the solid beam of aluminium that you see here for our front suspension. We went for a design based on the cars that we knew and the cars that we understood. So that really informed what the wheelbase was going to be, what the track, the front and rear was going to be. We also wanted something that was going to be engaging for kids. You know, we didn't want to build a mundane transport module. We wanted to build something that was going to be interesting, that might engage children to think about not just the hand skills, but some of the more technical skills like the digital modelling, surfacing work, digital visualisation and so on. The funding came through an organisation by the name of VCAM. VCAM basically employed one of our volunteers to facilitate this project, and they got the funding through an Advanced Manufacturing CRC, Commonwealth Research Grant. Well, we've run out of money, so we can only work out of ours, but we're hoping there's about another year in the project to finally finish it off. We basically have to fit the aluminium skin onto the chassis. While we want to make a statement about innovation, we also wanted to make a statement about craftsmanship and skills in the digital age. We wanted it to be a fusion of both, to demonstrate the heritage of engineering and motoring in Australia, while also talking about the future. And it also gives the car a certain cachet. One particular designer described it as a Bentley hot rod. So it has that high-end handmade elements, but with new innovative technology.